Miss Israel Lee Irving, is that Israel Lee Irving? You're gonna have to turn your television or whatever that is off or down or muted, please. Thank you. Good morning to you. All right, let's get going. Miss Belcher Thomas.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do the best I can out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to do the best I can to get you out in the order that you came in. We're going to start with the reviews. Are we ready, Ms. Williams? This is the City of Detroit versus Orlandis Darnell Grant Jr. Case number SP 163-89561. State your name, record, please.
Orlandis Grant.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. Oh, the 210 you owed anyway. That wasn't a part of these cases.
Exactly.
So the 240, you can go ahead and pay it now. It's on there.
I paid the 174 as well. I have a yeah, I have a proof. They sent me an E. That was the one. I have a ticket number as well.
Let's make the difference up. You see, he made it.
He wasn't supposed to pay the 175 because you dismissed that case.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't get it. I wouldn't get it dismissed and call the cashiers.
You said what?
I want to get it dismissed because he paid the 175.
So how does it? What about the 240?
I told them to apply the 175 to the 240 yesterday.
And they haven't done it yet.
They haven't done it yet because it was late. Around 4:30, I got to call back. They need until Monday until they can transfer the funds and apply the 175 to count one. Because I believe count one was the he was supposed to pay the $200. He paid it on the line, and if he hadn't paid it at the window, then they would have been able to change the funds over yesterday.
So $66 is what you owe. Let's put SP 16389. Should we do it that way?
Let's do let me look this up because I just want to make sure.
All right, I'm gonna let Ms. Mathis deal with this one. As far as this just some administrative stuff that needs to be done. Just give me a minute, we'll figure it out, all right?
Yeah, it's count one.
Yeah, so I'm minus 174, minus $66. So then he'll pay the 66, and whether they apply it or not, well, it doesn't matter.
Well, they have to apply it so we can vote to them.
Yeah, okay. And it'll be dismissed. Okay, so pay the 66 when we'll fix that now.
Okay. And what ticket number was that come? Because it doesn't come up on. I just checked it again to try to see if the 240 comes up. It didn't come up.
It's going to be on the 240. SP 163-89561. And then
SP 136-885-8.
89561. 89561.
Okay, 89561. Okay, thank you.
Come on.
Mr. Green, are you there? Eric Rashay Green.
Yes, I'm here. Good morning, Your Honor.
I want to see if Detroit versus Eric Rashay Green, case number SP 144243331. State your name for the record.
Eric Green.
All right, date, time set for review. You paid. All right, this is a one-time deal, sir. I'm gonna dismiss the case, but You know the consequences of that again, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too.
Thank you. All right, is there Carlos Odin here? Is there a Ariello Sanchez Lewis here? Charles Anthony Lee? Or Danielle Giannoni?
Present, Your Honor. Present.
Oh, who said present?
I am Daniele Giannoni.
Danielle Giannoni. This is the city of Detroit versus Danielle Giuseppe Giannoni, case number SP 160941111. All right, state your name for the record, please.
Daniele Giannoni.
All right, we still don't have the money.
Yes, Your Honor, I had some stuff happen. My car got impounded. I have all the credentials if you need to see.
Listen. I don't need to see any of that. That has nothing to do with what we said and what you said you were gonna do.
I understand, but
Now you're constantly making me think that it's more that going on with you than you're trying to lead on.
no, sir, I just have a little bit more than I can chew, you know. I have a lot of bills at home to pay. You know, I am dealing with a civil case as we speak due to a murder case. And unfortunately, this month was the day that, you know, we were taking care of everything. I was in back and forth with my counsel, and that is, you know, something I didn't understand here, like, you know, the dates and when I needed to go. I apologize sincerely, Your Honor.
All right. So
Come on,
so I've given you this is gonna be the third time.
This will be the last time, sir. I'll have everything in order, sir.
And when do you plan on having that in order?
I'll need one more month.
All right.
I appreciate you, Your Honor. I'm sorry, and it's just been pretty hectic this month.
February 25th.
Thank you for the chance, Your Honor. I appreciate it. I'm sorry to waste the court's time this morning.
Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Gary, case number U694244124. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Creed, 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Gary, your name, please.
Christopher Gary.
Judge, we've reached a proposed resolution of this matter under which the defendant would plead guilty. There would be a proposal for a delayed sentence of 3 months. We'd ask the court to adopt that resolution.
This is as charged.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Gary?
Yes, agree.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Dupree went over your other advice or rights to break out on, did he not?
Say that one more time.
Mr. Dupree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September 28, 2024, around 9:55 p.m. City of Detroit at 19486, is that 18486 Sherwood Street? Were you at that location around that date and time?
Yes.
And what's that? The Legacy Event Center?
Yes. At a hall. Yes.
And what's going on over there?
It was an event at a hall. You know, I was doing security.
So I don't understand what's the illegal about that, Mr. Dupree.
Don't need that. I don't need it.
Judge, we'd stipulate that the event did not have a liquor license and was serving liquor.
Yes, all I had was the property license paperwork.
If that's what it is, then that's what it is. If you're selling liquor in there and you didn't have a license to do so, then I guess that's I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged. $240 will be the fine, 3-month delayed sentence. Pay it by April the 24th. Come back April the 24th, 2025 at 8:25. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you to upload that DivDat after your phone, or you can go down to the courthouse and pay it first. Those are the two best ways I can take to pay it, sir. There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of the day and best of luck to you, all right? April 24th.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, who was your next one, Mr. Dupree? Please, Don. City of Detroit versus Whitney Lynn Landers, case number SB 153998821. Appearance for the record, please.
Whitney
Morning,
Landers.
Your Honor. Sherika Harris, and good morning to the staff. P72832 on behalf of Ms. Landers. Please state your name for the record.
Whitney Landers.
Good morning to you, Ms. Landers. Good morning to you, Ms. Harris. Today is the date and time set for a
Arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
you know, and I in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I tried getting your client. Did you get the insurance, Ms. Landers?
Yes, I have it. I was just waiting for the
Let's see what, just hold it up, please. If you don't mind.
It's on my phone. It's on my phone.
Just put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. And,
Okay.
talk to her. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
Judge, for this one.
All right, City of Detroit.
Yes.
Was that Andre Gillison? You were the first one, but your matter is set for trial. We're gonna have to wait on till 9:30, not necessarily till 9:30, but if, well, he's not listening anyway because he doesn't have his license convicted. This is the City of Detroit versus Martel Diego Green, case number U68529724. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Martel Diego Green. Can you call up? Houston, Officer Houston is here so we can get Gillison going. I'm gonna as soon as Gillison connects his audio. Mr. Frank Poppel, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Who's your client?
I think it's Armando Guadalupe Gonzalez Cedeno. I think probably iPhone de Armando.
See.
Yes, he
He
confirms.
said he needed an interpreter.
Yes.
What is Guadalupe Armando Gonzalez? What is his name again?
His last name, I think, is Gonzalez Cedeno.
Cedeno. All right, let's pass that matter, Mr. Berry, and I don't see Mr. Green. Mr. Bobble, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
My name is Frank Poppel. I'm a qualified Spanish interpreter.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not to cause confidential communications. So help
I
you
do.
God.
I
And do
do.
you affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. Excuse me. Let's call it, this is the city of Detroit versus Armando Gonzalez Cedeno, case number SP 1646631, counts 1, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Go with us, Barry Jr.
Caso,
Go ahead, Mr. Bob.
Esto es el caso de la gente de Detroit contra Armando González Sereno, número de caso SP 164666311 y 2. Comparecencia para el acta.
Elwood S. Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., representando al acusado. Diga su nombre completo, señor.
Armando Guadalupe González Cedeño.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Berry. Get your client an updated offer. Tell your client that he has an absolute right to the trial if he doesn't like the offer.
Hoy es la conferencia de un juicio y su cliente tiene la opción de aceptar la oferta o proceder a un juicio si no le gusta la oferta.
Join the room, please.
Vayan a un cuarto. Acepte la invitación, por favor, señor. Sí.
Mr. Pass the matter. Mr. Dupree, who's your other client?
Marquise Lee, Your Honor.
Is Marquise Lee here?
He's not, Judge. And I've called, texted, and sent him mail. Can't get a hold of him. I'm not sure how the court wants to proceed. He's got a trial date in March, but I've got to move on to circuit court pretty soon here.
Well, if he's not here, you can check back in later.
I'll check back later. Thanks, Judge.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Aurelio Sanchez Lewis, case number SP 161-79641. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Aurelio Sanchez Lewis.
All right. Today is good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. You did not pay.
I got the money, but I forgot what app you told me to download for the money.
Why don't you come on? You're in the car now. Why don't you bring it down here now? We can close it out.
Okay, so I can come on down there and bring it.
Yeah, and go to the window and just give me a name and pay the $240, and then to bring the receipt up here, we'll close it out.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
It's Dib that app. Dib that is the app. If you want to do it by the app. DIVDAT. I'm told you can upload the app to your phone. If you want to do it right there, you can do it right there if you have a smartphone.
I'm gonna have to bring it down there because I had took the money off the card.
Okay.
All right. I'm on my way down there.
All right.
All right.
Pass the matter. Carlos Olden here. Is Charles Anthony Lee here? All right, we're waiting on Ms. Barrett. Good morning to you. Who's your client? You're free to leave, Mr. Lewis, until you get down here.
Okay.
I'll put you out.
All right.
Ms. Barrett, who's your client? All right, we're waiting on the lawyer. Oh, he's got a. Well, let's go back on the record with Ms. Landers. Ms. Landers, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to present valid documentation. Her insurance expires April of 2025.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, Ms. Landers, best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You are. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Andre Marquel Gillison, case number. Well, we just have one case number. We'll call the other one on arraignment. Case number U696433924.
Yes, sir.
Appearance for the record, please. Good morning to you.
All right, Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gillison, please state your name for the record.
Andre Gillison.
Officer Houston, are you there?
Yes.
Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Officer Houston, badge 2614, the Detroit Police Department.
You got to turn your camera on, Officer Houston. All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. We also have SP 16609-281, SP 16609-841. Those matters are set for arraignment, Counselor. We can, I don't know if he wants to consolidate all of them, or I'll let you strategize that on behalf of you and your client. But those matters were set for arraignment on January 31st at 1:30. So why don't you speak to your client and get an updated offer, and then keep in mind today is the date and time set for a trial, Mr. Houston. And the other two cases, Miss Harris, is pedestrian disregard and then disclosed CPL. Then he has an old expired plate, but that's 174. All right, let me put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gillison, and speak to Miss Harris, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please. Ms. Baird, are you ready?
Yeah, I need to check in on several matters.
Just one at a time, please.
Anthony Jones. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Judge. That's the wrong paper on here. This would be Cartisha Gardner.
Cartisha Gardner, are you here? She's here. Let me see what's going on now. Is that Cartish Gardner or Cartisha Gardner?
It's Catrice Gardner.
Catrice Gardner. All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Catrice Gardner, case number B13-619-224, B13-619-324, B13-619-424, B13-619-524, B13-619-624, B13-619-724. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Cartrice Gardner.
Ms. Gardner, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Patrice Gardner.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial Ms. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Barron. Have a conversation with her. She's probably gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez Sandina. I'm giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
Vamos a volver al acta con ha tenido una oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Abogado, ¿cómo vamos a proceder?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to allowing he has shown valid insurance.
Señor, mi cliente que quiere aceptar la oferta de bajar el cargo a dejar manejar a una persona sin licencia y se ya ha mostrado el seguro válido.
Okay.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gonzalez?
¿Esto es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor González?
Dejar manejar a alguien con licencia.
Yeah,
¿Y
to
con
let
seguro?
somebody drive without a license?
Sí.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please.
Levante su mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que lo que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar la mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que el castigo máximo para esta ofensa es de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y o una multa hasta $500?
Ok.
Okay.
Una fianza de... ¿Cómo, perdón?
Can you say that again?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
¿Entiende usted que el castigo máximo para este tipo de ofensa es de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y o una multa hasta $500?
Oh, ok.
Okay.
You understand that? Yes or no?
¿Entiende esto?
Yes.
¿Entiende esto?
Yes,
¿Sí o
yes,
no?
yes, yes.
All right, you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
¿Entiende que tiene derecho absoluto a tener un juicio?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
El señor Berry le repasó los derechos en la formulario de advertencia de sus derechos, ¿correcto?
Yes. Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Entendió estos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre los derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Entiende que al aceptar la oferta de declararse culpable, está renunciando a estos derechos.
Bueno, pero entonces sí. Declararme culpable es como para pagar o cómo, perdón.
So if I declare myself guilty, it's to pay the fine.
Listen, I think you need to go back in the breakout room, Mr. Berry, and discuss this with him again. He doesn't seem to understand what's going on.
Tiene que volver a hablar con él. Él parece que no está entendiendo bien.
Okay.
In the breakout room and have another conversation.
Tiene que tener otra conversación.
Ok, perdón. Ok.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Mr. Bowman, go to 4, please. He's in there. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready? All right, we're gonna wait on the lawyer.
Good morning. Hey, put this on my desk.
Bueno.
Are you back? Or does he have an understanding now, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goins Sedina. I'm giving you an opportunity. You understand what's going on now, sir?
Yes.
Mr. Bobble?
Yes.
Make sure he understands what's going on.
Queremos asegurarnos que usted entiende lo que está pasando.
Okay, sí. Yes.
Okay, you understand your rights, sir?
¿Entiende sus derechos?
Yes.
You understand by taking the deal, you're going to give up these rights?
¿Entiende que al declararse culpable, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo más allá de lo que se habló aquí en el acta?
No.
No.
Right. Let me draw your attention back to November the 24th, 2024, around 7:41 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Burner Infantry. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Vamos a volver al 24 de noviembre de 2024, alrededor de las 7:41 de la tarde. Usted estuvo en la ciudad de Detroit, en la calle de Carna, y otra que no entendí bien, y tuvo contacto con la policía.
Sí. Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Usted estaba manejando un carro?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
El oficial de policía le pidió una
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
El oficial de policía le pidió que mostrara su licencia de conducir.
Yes.
Who's that sleeping?
¿Quién está durmiendo?
All right, and you couldn't produce that license, could you?
Y usted no pudo mostrar la licencia, ¿correcto?
No.
Why is that?
¿Por qué es eso?
Porque no puedo tener la licencia.
Because I can't obtain a license.
Very well, find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing $240 of dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it?
Ok, vamos a bajar el cargo al dejar manejar a una persona sin licencia. La multa es $240 y voy a estimar el otro caso. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
Cuando sea.
Whenever.
Today?
¿Hoy?
Sí, nomás, sí, hoy. ¿A qué
Yeah,
horas?
yeah, today. What time?
All right, come back on Monday, on the January 27th. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Puede pagar hasta el lunes de 27. Lo puede pagar por un kiosco DivDat que están en toda la parte de Detroit, o puede bajar la aplicación en su teléfono y pagar así. Si no, puede venir en persona al tribunal y pagar así. Esas son las mejores maneras de pagar.
¿En la 36?
At the 36th?
At the 36th, and then come back Monday morning, or if you come back today and show us that you come down here today and pay it, and you show us the receipt, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Ok. Si no puede mostrar el recibo, puede volver hoy en la tarde, o puede el lunes volver y mostrarnos el recibo, y ahí desestimamos el caso.
Entonces tengo que ir, o como ahora puedo ir a la 36 y digo que soy Armando y vengo a pagar un ticket de no licencia.
So I go to the 36, say I'm Armando, and I pay the ticket there?
Yes.
Sí.
Ok, entonces nomás con mi puro nombre llego y les digo que vengo a pagar un ticket.
So just with my name, I go there and I can pay the ticket?
Yes.
Sí.
Y para el lunes tengo que ir a mostrar el recibo ahí también otra vez.
And on Monday, I do have to show the receipt again?
If it's in the system, if you come down here and pay it, you don't have to show back up. But if I don't see it paid, then I need to see it.
Si está todo claro en el sistema, está pagado, no tiene que volver. Pero si por alguna razón no está pagado, ahí tengo que verlo.
Ok. Le voy a hablar a mi amigo para que me lleve a la 36 a pagarlo ahorita. Cierran a las 5, ¿verdad?
I asked my friend to take me there. I think they close at 5, right?
4:30.
4:30.
Ok, está bien. Ahorita le digo que me lleve.
Okay, I'll tell my friend to take me.
Very well. Have a great day, and thank you,
Muy bien.
Mr. Bob.
Que tenga un buen día.
Igualmente,
Gracias,
muchas gracias.
Thank you, too.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Gorgeous Unique Love, case number SP 1594704, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear into the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Love.
Gorgeous Unique Love.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Councilman.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give you a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, have a conversation with Mr. Berry. If you don't like the offer he's going to present, then you have an absolute right to the trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Gillison.
Yes, sir.
Giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss the matter that is on the docket for today, the trial matter. I believe it was due to no recollection by Officer Houston. And with regards to the remaining two matters, for purposes of arraignment, my client will stand mute. We are respectfully requesting that an attorney be appointed.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Gillison?
Yes, sir.
Put in a not guilty plea on your behalf, will give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for February the 27th. Do you have the information there in the chat? I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Gillison.
Yes, sir.
Should be in the chat, Your Honor.
I didn't see it. I do now. All right, what I'm gonna need you to do, Mr. Gillison, is answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you can disregard the January 31st date, come back February 27th, 2025 at 8:30. If it's
Yes,
nothing
sir.
further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. Officer
Yes.
Houston, you be safe out there and you have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Have a good day.
Okay. All right, let's go with get you going, Miss on Gaddy's. Is that someone represented? Who's representing Gaddy's? That may be one of the house councils here. Ogletree is representing Gaddy's, so we'll pass that matter. Goins, does Goins have an attorney represented?
Not that I know of, sir.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Goins.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
All right, Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Shaikisha Goins. Case number is SP 1805651, SP 1627366, counts 1 and counts 2. 19460443, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Goins, please state your name for the record.
Keisha Goins.
All right, today is the date and time for a pretrial. Put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. Miss Harris is gonna, it said need an appointed attorney.
Yeah, no one ever contacted me when we had our last.
Let's pass the matter. We need to get her an attorney appointed right now. Okay. She has a trial date set, so. All right, this is Shaikisha Goins. All right, give me a minute on that, Ms. Goins.
Okay.
Let's pass that matter. Let's go down to Damon Gardner.
Yes, I'm there.
Good morning to you. What's your middle name?
Say it again, I'm sorry. Levon, yeah.
Versus Damon Levon Gardner. Case number is SP 1529192, counts 1 and counts 2. Here, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gardner, please state your name for the record.
Damon Gardner.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
In or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gardner, I'm gonna put you, do you have valid, license and registration, or you want to speak to Ms. Harris in a breakout room? She's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, then, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
It's fine, please. Like he should go.
All right. I think that's good. Said, Mr. Berry, are you ready on anyone, Mr. Berry?
Judge,
Yes. Good
I
morning
have
to you.
other cases, but the case that I started with, Catrice Gardner, I need to talk to the prosecutor.
He's in 4. Should be in 4. He's in 4.
You think she would take bonds?
City of Detroit versus Tierra Guyton. Case number is SP 1645387. Counts 1 and count 2. State your name for the record, Ms. Guyton.
Yes, Tiara Guyton.
Yeah, good morning, new day, date, time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to dismiss the case. I got your documentation now.
Okay, thank you.
Very good day.
You too. Thanks.
Good morning. Good morning. Is Charles Anthony Lee here? Is Carlos Oden here? Is that James Earl Green or James Gregory Green?
James Earl Green.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Are we ready on Mr. Gardner, Ms. Harris?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Damon Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Okay. That's what you want to do, Mr. Gardner?
Yes, sir.
Come back on March the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay. Thank you.
So, nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
This is the City of Detroit versus James Earl Green. Case number U69799224. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
James Earl Green.
For purpose of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind, Mr. Green, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please.
Is there a ticket available? Could you tell me the ordinance?
It's not a ticket available. All I have is a ROA. You want to see if we can get a ticket, or just set the matter for trial. If we don't have the original ticket here.
Okay, I will go talk to Mr. Green. Thank you.
Okay. For LGC Global, Ms. Plawat,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
morning. What's going to go on with that? That should be ready. It should be ready to go one way or the other.
Yes, we do have a plea resolution this morning. I don't know if Mr. Bowman is coming in on that file or not.
This is the city of Detroit versus LGC Global Incorporated. Case numbers SX, so this is the state of Michigan versus LGC Global Incorporated. Case number SX 4465555, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, and good morning. For the record, Julie Haleo on behalf of LGC Global.
All right. Today is the not set for trial. Is there a Brian Ball, I guess a trooper Ball here?
When I spoke in the breakout room with the prosecuting attorney, he was with the attorney. So yes, he is here. But he's with Mr. Bowman.
He's in the office with Mr. Bowman?
Yes, correct.
And he was there by 9:30, that's fine. They're okay with that. All right, what's the resolution on this matter?
Your Honor, the resolution is that I have authority to plea to count 1 and count 2 as cited. And there will be a reduction of the fine from the original fee of $5,000 down to $4,500.
Mr. Bowman, are you here? All right. And I guess we need to waive your client's presence?
Yes, I will waive their presence today, and I have a full authority to enter into this resolution.
And you're retained counsel and you have full authority, so I'm going to waive the presence of your client. And what ticket were you pleading on?
That would be count 1 or citation 1 was allowing a vehicle to be operated over weight or over gross, and the second citation was the brake violations.
So how do you come up with the dollar amount?
I spoke with Mr. Bowman and the trooper, and I asked that. That's why I thought Mr. Bowman might be in here by now. I think that was pursuant to the axles that were overweight. And they said that we could just come up with an actual value.
257.724 is the MCL number. For at least the tickets, that's the overweight 257.724. Let me see what the statute says. Something to this is section 3. An owner of a vehicle or lessee of the vehicle, owner, operator, or other person who causes or allows a vehicle to be loaded and driven or moved on an highway when the weight of that vehicle violates section 722. The responsible for a civil infraction must pay a civil fine in an amount equal to 3 cents per pound over each pound of excess load over 1,000 pounds. When the excess is 2,006 cents. If the excess is over 3,000 pounds, it's 9 cents. It says they find 3 cents per pound over pounds load. Over 1,000 pounds when the excess is 2,000 pounds or less, 6 cents per pound of excess load when the excess is over 2,000 pounds, but not over 3,000 pounds. 9 cents per each pound for each pound of excess load when the excess is over 3,000, not over 4,000 pounds. 12 cents per pound for each load of excess load when the excess is over 4,000 pounds, but not over 5,000. 15 cents, and it goes on and on. So you're think that it was 4,500 is the amount that your client should that's the amount your client is willing to pay, right?
Correct, Your Honor. And if I may, the citation, just to give the court reference, Axle 1 was overweight 1,300. Axle 2 was not overweight, but Axle 3 was overweight by 14,300, and Axle 4 was overweight 14,700. So it was rather significant.
Okay. That's fine. So stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that response, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's for the overweight, and then dismissing, stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the as charge overweight, and the fine will be $4,500. When can your client pay?
Due to the significance, can they have 30 days?
2/25/2025. I'm gonna pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told they can upload the DivDat app to their phone, or you can go down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, be safe and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor, and Happy New Year.
All right. Are we ready on Ms. Love?
Ready, Your Honor.
Back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to show valid registration and insurance, and we seek dismissal based on valid documents.
All right, case dismissed, Ms. Love, for providing valid documentation.
I have a question. So for the bond, so for the 230 that I just paid last week, do I get that back since the case dismissed or no?
You should. It's going to come back to that Taylor address.
It's going to come in a check?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you, man. Have a good day.
Okay.
What about Gunn? Maria Gunn.
Marie Gunn.
Marie Gunn, I'm sorry, ma'am. City of Detroit versus Marie Gunn, case number 2435-80791. Appears for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gunn.
Marie Armani Gunn.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, go in the breakout room, speak to Ms. Gunn. Ms. Gunn, Ms. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, we're prepared to have resolution on one of the trials at 9 o'clock. LGC Global Attorney Hyla, who represents the defendant.
We just did it.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay. All right.
Ms. Gunn, you got to wait on Mr. Ogletree. He's representing you, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's pass that matter.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Here's for Ms. Gunn.
Aaron Ogletree about for Ms. Gunn.
Back on the record with Ms. Gunn, Mr. Ogletree. Did you work that out? Did you speak to Ms. Gunn?
Yeah, I spoke to Ms. Gunn. I spoke to everyone here.
Trial date set. February 21st. What do you want to do?
The prosecution offered a 3-month delayed sentence, and she wanted to avail herself. She said for reason of civil liability or no contest.
All right, then she wants to take the deal. You want to take the deal, Ms. Gunn?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights to break out room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights? Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Did you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that
Yes.
response? No, Mr.
Yes.
For that guilty, for that no contest plea. Mr. Bowman, is you're okay with no contest plea for civil liability?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client. I'm gonna treat it like a guilty plea, Ms. Gunn. They'll be fined $240, 3-month delayed sentence. The review date will be April the 24th, 2025. If you don't get in any trouble like this again, you pay the ticket and you come back on April 24th, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Okay.
At any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Okay.
Nothing further. Best of luck to you now.
Okay, thank you.
Very well. I called Martel Diego into the record. Mr.
I'm right here. Martel
yeah.
Green, I'm right here.
I know. Martel Diego. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Martel Diego. Mr. Ogletree, can you put your appearance on the record for Martel Diego?
Aaron Ocean about Mr. Martel Green.
Martel Diego Green, yes.
Yes.
So this was a disorderly conduct. Did you get an opportunity to speak with him?
Yes. He's also 3-month delayed sentence for reason of civil liability as well.
All right. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and
yes.
fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
Understood those rights?
I can't hear you. Can you repeat that?
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No.
And you know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
I can't hear you. What did you say?
Sorry, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention. What about stipulating to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis on behalf of your client, Mr.
We stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, for that guilty, that no contest plea in the city, any objection to taking the no contest plea for civil liabilities purposes? I guess you didn't.
No, I didn't hear you. Was that to me? I didn't hear you, sir.
No, that was to the city attorney.
Oh.
But he's any objection, Mr. Bowman, civil liability purposes for the no contest plea?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, $240 will be the fine, same thing, paid it in DivDat kiosk, city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone or come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And come back April the 24th. If you don't get any more trouble like this, we'll dismiss the case. As long as it's paid, you don't get any more trouble. Okay, Mr. Green?
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record. Mr. James Earl Green.
Yes, sir.
You, Ms. Harris, dismiss.
Yes, Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation, which stipulates a probable cause.
All right, very well. Case dismissed, Mr. Green. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. This is, let's get Grisham going. I see you up there, Mrs. Barrett, and I'm gonna get with you, Mr. Ogletree, to get the rest of yours done. Let me get Mr. Berry and Ms. Harris going on some cases.
Do I have to wait for anything, Your Honor?
No, you're free to leave. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
City of Detroit versus Donnell Kelvin Grisham, case number 1536714, U56908821. Appearance for the record, please.
Chairman Harris, on behalf Gresham, please state your name for the record.
Donnell Kelvin Gresham.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial on both the matters. Why don't you get Mr. Grisham updated on from why aren't they printing on the same thing? It's two of them. They're not printing on the same for some reason. Let me put you in a breakout room here. I got that one. I got it. Let me put you in a breakout room, Mr. Grisham, with Ms. Harris. Oh, no, it's not printing on the same thing. Do you, let me ask you this. Do you need any drug treatment, sir? Oh, too late. All right, go ahead in the breakout room. Find out if you need some drug treatment, Ms. Harris. Pass the matter. Mr. Jermaine's
It must be something wrong with the DNA.
S21 Ultra. Jermaine's S21 Ultra. Did he ever get? He's gone. That's gone. Dinan Odom. Dinan Odom. Yes.
Something wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, 1970.
Mr. Odom, are you there? Looks like he's not. All right. Israel Lee Irving. Unmute yourself, please. Israel Lee Irving.
Yes, sir.
That's my case.
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Israel Lee Irving, case number SB 162-9932, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 162-99391. Appearance for the record, please.
Leader, no, that was my case. That's why I was. Yeah, I'm sorry. Israel. Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Israel Lee Irving.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Ms. Irving. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you ever get a chance to speak to Ms. Irving?
No, I did not. You said one at a time. I had other ones, so I didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know that was you. I didn't know that was you. Go ahead and just hold on. I'm gonna get you in the breakout room, Ms. Irving. I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 5.
Okay.
Go at number 5 and wait on Miss Barrett, your attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's pass that. Let's go back. Let's call the city. What is this, Catrice Gardner? Let's call. Did we call that case? This is the city of, yes. Let's go back on the record, Miss Gardner. Miss Gardner, it's my understanding that you want a bench trial. Is that correct, Miss Aaron?
Yes.
Our
And we're
trial.
requesting discovery too.
All right, you hear that, Mr. Bowman?
Yes, sir. I heard that request.
All right, discovery request made. I'm marking the file on January 24th, okay? 2025. Trial is going to be September, strike that. Trial is going to be March 24th, 2025. If you don't have anything, yes, March 24th, 2025. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Gardner, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right. So you can go to 5 now, Ms. Barrett.
Okay. Was that 9 or 8:30 on the 24th?
9.
Okay. Thanks.
All right, Ms. Harris.
Yeah, I just had a question. Is it possible that you can give the offense date for Mr. Gresham's matters?
He has an issue with his birthday. One of them is the entering without permission is under 74, and the other is under 71. The offense date for the allegation was made on May the 18th, 2020 for the narcotics drug violation. And the other offense date was 2014. Those are the offense dates. I don't have a U ticket in here, just a well, I do have a U ticket, but that's a different U ticket for something that's probably been adjudicated. I don't have a U ticket for the allegations that are out there now. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Laws is in your breakout room. I don't know how she got there. All right, Mr. Berry, let's get you going. Yes. Ogletree's got most of these cases. Where is it? I have, you have Tyrese Lee?
Wait, I got them.
Does anybody have Tyrese Lee?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Morning to you. Let's see the file. Let me see if you have anybody appointed for you. Have you talked to a lawyer, Mr. Lee?
No, sir.
Were you supposed to get a lawyer appointed to you?
Yes, I believe.
Let me see. Good morning.
Okay. How y'all doing today?
Hey, good morning, how are you?
Okay. Glad it's Friday.
All right, let's go with Mr. Berry. Let me get your file. I'm waiting on your file, Mr. Lee. Let's go with the City of Detroit versus Christina Gates. Case number SP 1630324, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1630335, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gates.
Gates, you have to unmute yourself. Start your camera, please. Gates, state your name for the record, please. You have to unmute yourself.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Christina Gates.
All right, good morning to you. Corporal Baker, good morning to you. Where's Corporal Baker? He's in the breakout. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put Ms. Gates in the breakout room. Speak to her, get an updated offer, and see if you can resolve this. Today is the date and time set for a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
So he said he don't know if he got Zoom or what. That's his time at the bottom.
All right, D has not, I don't have you as an attorney appointed, so. We'll let you speak to Ms. Harris.
Is that Tyrese?
All right, who you have, Mr. Ogletree? Ms. Harris, are you ready on anyone?
Yeah, I have 2 clients ready, Your Honor. O'Neill and Goddess, they're both requesting bench trial dates.
O'Neill, Earl O'Neill?
Yeah, Earl O'Neill and Laverne Goddess. If we can call Miss Goddess, but she has a medical appointment she needs to get to.
This call the City of Detroit versus Laverne Gotti. Case number SP 161-59311. SP 161-5932, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 161-59361. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Orchard, bound for Miss Goddess, P number 69167. Miss Goddess, can you state your name?
Laverne Gaddis.
Good morning, Ms. Gaddis. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. You've got connected with your lawyer. I'm going to give you a trial date of March the 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Yeah.
You said Neil?
Earl O'Neill.
Earl O'Neill, is he here?
Yeah, he's here. I see him.
Okay, I see him. All right. City of Detroit versus Earl Vincent O'Neill Jr. Case number SP 1583727. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1583781. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Overtree on behalf of Mr. Earl O'Neill, my P number 69167. Mr. O'Neill, can you unmute and cut on your camera and state your name?
Earl O'Neill.
He's especially requesting a bench trial date.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. O'Neill.
All right,
I'm going to give you a bench trial date, same date, trial March the 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Is that it, Mr. Ogletree?
I think that's it for me.
All right. All right.
All right, thanks.
Can't be safe. All right, are we ready on Mr. Grisham, Ms. Harris?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grisham. Mr. Grisham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is a recommendation to dismiss the 2014 matter. With regards to the remaining matter, we are respectfully requesting a trial date. We're also asking for discovery, Your Honor, for House Counsel for that day.
Okay. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Mr. Bowman.
I'm writing it down, Your Honor, writing it down.
Right, I'm gonna dismiss an age of the case. I'm thinking on the other one, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then the other case, I'm gonna give you a trial date on March the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Grisham, have a very good rest. Is this a good phone number to reach you at?
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You do the same. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Harris.
This is the city of Detroit versus Tyrese Lamont Lee, case number 1608502. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Tyrese Lee.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea in your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
On your roll, please.
Judge,
Ready?
on my other case that I had, we want a bench trial day.
Which case is that?
Hold on 1 second. She just came out.
Lee Irving?
Yes, she should have come out to breakout room.
She's there. Let's go. Let's go back on the Ms. Lee Irving. Ms. Lee Irving, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a bench trial day.
Yes, Judge.
I think we made it. Do we already have one here?
We
Yeah,
gotta get, it says January 30th, but I gotta get discovery.
Mr. Bowman?
Yes, sir.
Can you get this? Can you get the discovery? That discovery was, the discovery request was made on 11/22/2024, so it should be some discovery somewhere.
There probably is, Your Honor. I can check and find out.
All right,
What time?
Lee
what
Irving,
time?
Israel Lee Irving, and their case is was a free trial for 8/35.
8:35.
Second
Hold
page.
on.
Not second page. Let's keep that January 30th date.
Hold on 1 second.
January 30th at 9 a.m.
Was he gonna be able to get the discovery to me?
He should have had it. Somebody should have had it ready a long time ago.
Okay, Mr. Bowman.
I hear you.
Okay, well.
January 30th. January 30th at 9 a.m. Ms. Lee Irving, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Goins. Ms. Goins, I've given you Ms. Barrett, they appointed you to Ms. Bowens' case as well.
Right. Can I go in the breakout room with her so I can get her information?
You may. We have a trial date set for that too. Ms. Goins, I'm going to put you in a breakout room and speak to Ms. Barrett, number 5, please.
Thank
Pass
you.
the matter, join the room. Okay, Ms. Harris, are we ready on anyone?
You know, Mr. Lee.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are respectfully requesting a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you need, Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to give you a trial date of March the 25th, but I'm gonna have you back on February the 27th for a pre-trial, just to make sure that attorney has made contact with you. That attorney hasn't made contact with you by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. All right.
Okay, you said February what?
February 27th is your next court date. I guess you put his information in the chat, Ms. Harris?
I did.
As you always do. 848. Lee. All right, so answer the call, sir, that you don't recognize. One of those calls, and check your email. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by February 27th, your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Lee. Have a very good day, and best of luck. All right.
Your Honor.
Yes.
May I ask Attorney Harris to speak to Ms. Gates in 2?
I'll put Ms. Gates in 3. Join the room. What about laws? Do you have laws, Ms. Harris?
I do not. When I was putting someone else in the breakout room, I mistakenly put her in 3.
All right, let's call laws. You can take care of Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
This is the City of Detroit versus Nativia Laws. Case numbers. This name I keep seeing all the time.
Hello, Judge.
Hello. First of all, turn your camera on. Good morning to you. This is City of Detroit versus Nativia Laws, case number SP 15098722, SP 1387143, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1395839-1, SP 1450543, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 14567 counts 1, 2, SP 1457762 counts 1 and counts 2, and U 69714-324. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Laws.
Latavia Laws.
All right, good morning to you. Sorry about the mispronunciation of your name, Ms. Laws. Today is the date time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, go in the breakout room. Give Ms. Laws an updated offer. Ms. Laws, if you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room, please.
I got my license.
You do have your license?
Yes.
Runner license.
I went and paid the ticket.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second, Ms. Law. Runner license, please.
I'm sorry. I went and paid the ticket you told me to pay.
All right, just give me a second. I'm gonna check the license. Just give me a second.
Okay, okay. So don't.
I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Berry after that. We're gonna just confirm that you got the license.
Yes, I got the license. I'm so happy.
Not for you. I'm gonna still make sure.
Yes.
Ms. Ballard, congratulations, Ms. Laws. Go ahead and break out room, speak to Mr. Berry, okay?
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Hey, who's on the telephone at 313-917-7655?
Oldham. I was disconnected.
Yeah, okay. All right, give me a minute. Who's on the 1+ CPH 2515 device? Unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please. Over the breakout room, Ms. Laws.
My name's Michael Guerin. Oh, I'm sorry.
All right. Ms. Laws.
Hello.
Join the breakout room, please.
Okay.
Mr. Guerin, are you outdoors?
No, I'm indoors at work, sir.
I need to take your hat off, sir.
Thank you. I need to speak to my attorney before I tell you what happened.
All right, thank you. I'm glad you know that. Because most people just start speaking.
Yeah, I figured I'd explain everything to her first, and then we'll go from there.
Who is your attorney?
Last time I had a female, I forget her name, sir.
All right. Dominique Buchanan, that's who I need to unmute yourself and state your name. I don't see you on the docket. I'm sorry.
Ooh.
Dominique Buchanan.
Police Officer Buchanan.
Okay. I got you checked in. You came in and checked in, right?
Yes, I came in and checked in, but I'm on Zoom. It was for Jalen Lamar.
No Jalen Lamar. Jalen Lamar did not show.
Thank you.
Be safe, Officer Buchanan and Officer Asterikas. Excuse me. Give me the correct pronunciation, officer.
It's Officer Astruckus.
Astruckus, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. You are free to leave.
All right.
Jalen Lamar never showed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Astruckus. Let's see, who else hasn't showed? Mark Anthony Gray is here. Berlinda Guest has not shown. Del Bosque. Officer Calloway, I don't see you on any of the cases.
I had Mr. Joshua Odom for open alcohol at 9 o'clock.
I don't see Joshua Odom. I don't see him up. Let me see if
Not
we'll
until you
change.
come to court to realize how many people got your last name.
No, I think it's Odom, but you had Oldham came in yesterday. Oldham. Odom, you're talking about ODEM or ODOM? Which is it?
I got ODUM.
ODUM. Joshua. I think he came in yesterday or something.
This one say January 24th, 2025, 9 o'clock.
I have Joshua Taiwan Odom. I have February 14th trial.
Okay, that's the same middle name. So I guess they gave me a different subpoena. I don't know.
Yeah, sometimes it changes.
They never sent me an updated one, so I guess they realized I was on furlough and they probably switched it up. So I don't know. All right.
Be safe out there.
Thank you.
Del Bosque. Defendant never showed.
Good morning. I believe I see a Mark Gray on here.
Mark Gray is here. Gray is here.
That's what I'm here for.
Very good. I thought you had, okay, I was missing that. Yes, Mr. Dismissals. Are we ready, Mr.
No,
Barrett?
no, Your Honor. I need to ask for the U ticket. Can I get a copy of that?
I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, there is a U ticket in here. Here, can you give Mr. Barrett a copy of that U ticket, please? All right, coming to you, Mr. Barrett.
Thank you.
What it is, I can just tell you what it is. It's entering, it's a legal occupation, loitering in a place of illegal occupation on 19462 Lindsay Street.
Thank you. Thank you. That will help.
All right, very well. It's coming to you though. Okay. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Goldens. Ms. Goldens, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we're gonna need the discovery, and she wants a bench trial date. I think she said she had one.
Yes, I have trial on the 3rd of February.
3rd of February. 3rd of February. Let me make sure that that's right.
At 9 a.m.
No, we have to change it. I'm on vacation.
So what day? What day?
March 24th.
Okay, I don't have my video on. Okay.
March 24th.
What time?
Yeah. March 24th at 9 a.m. Let's get some understanding on the discovery here. Mr. Bowman. Where did Mr. Bowman go?
You say March 21st or February 20th? Which
It's
one
March
did you say?
25th at 9 a.m. Is there?
Did you say the 5th? Wait a minute, hold on one second.
Let's go March 24th.
24th. Okay. 24th.
At 9 a.m. And then Mr. Bowman, are you there? Where did he go? Because I want to make sure that he posed this discovery requested on 24th. Are you sending him an email for that discovery?
Yes, I will send him an email for discovery.
All right, make sure you send it today, because I'm marking the file that, because he's the one that brought up 21-day discovery.
Right.
Days.
I got you.
Hold him to it, all right? Miss Goins, if you don't have anything further, ma'am, best of luck to you. I'm sorry about the change of the date. I need to be patient sometime, but
We all do, sir.
thank you.
You have a blessed weekend and have a great day.
You too. See you back.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. You need to get back in the room. All
Yes, sir. I need privileges again.
right. What?
I
I did go. Where did I go? I did go a few places.
Yeah. Didn't you go to Niagara Falls?
Niagara
I thought you
Falls.
went to, did you go to Niagara?
I went to Portugal.
I was there.
Oh, it was beautiful. It's 24th of March.
No, I'm saying.
Oh, the 3rd to the 8th, the 2nd to the 8th.
Hear about Portugal.
Huh?
Hear about Portugal. Was it
That was
there?
awesome.
It was like, come back. Say something.
This,
I was here.
Miss Harris. You don't want to hear
Ready
about
on,
that. Wow,
we were listening. Ready on Gates.
Miss Gates, you didn't have, well, I won't even say that.
I'm sure you
Go ahead on, Corporal Baker. Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Ortiz Baker, Badge 21, Detroit Police Department.
All right, very well. Is there a resolution here, Ms. Harris?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. My client is going to admit to improper equipment with the remaining matters being dismissed. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factions and stipulates a probable cause for the dismissal. Respectfully request 2 weeks or longer for her to be able to pay that fine.
0305. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket. You already made those stipulations. With those stipulations, I'm gonna find you responsible as charged to the improper equipment.
Officer.
All right, and I'll give you 2 weeks to pay it, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
February 14th, so you can't get your Valentine. I can't say you can't get your Valentine. That present. Anyway, you got this 214 along with that Valentine's present, all right?
You said, I'm sorry, Your Honor, how much will it be?
220, I'm sorry, 220. Pay it, and it
Is it 220?
No, strike it, 120. 120.
Okay.
I was gonna like that. It was gonna be like she was gonna get a Valentine's Day gift. It's gonna be 120 instead of 220. And so we did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that, did that after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, man. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good day. And Corporal Baker, out there, and have a very good day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day. Thank you, Ms. Harris.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Where's Lewis?
She's ready.
Did he come up? He paid it?
Yeah.
You dismissed it? All right, Mr. Lewis. Have a great day. City of Detroit versus Dan Jeremy Oldham. Case numbers SP 126-32792, SP 164-8343, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Oldham. There, state your name for the record.
On it for the record.
All right, day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Have a conversation with her. She's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
What time is Mr. Odom, please?
He is 8:35 toward the end of the list. All right.
Thank you.
Go to the, he's on the phone, Ms. Harris, so he's in there. All right. Gray. And then Lee. Earl O'Neill was gone. And then Karen. That's Karen on that one plus device. Let's see who Leonard is.
Yeah, I'm here. I didn't know if you're gonna.
We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, that was an awesome trip. So, then I went to Atlanta. Omaha.
Where's Omaha?
Nebraska. That's the biggest city in Nebraska.
Do we have a document or somebody?
No, I think we, well.
Next week? Or
think
the week he's out?
for next week. So I think we got it in time, so it's, I don't know if it's gonna be.
Just the afternoon. That next week? But don't come back to the courtroom until tonight.
You have to bring some of those treats down with this,
I should do that.
from this, all right, are we ready on laws?
Ready, Your Honor. We're ready to have a trial.
Have a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's not trial day.
Oh, well, all right. I'm really rather happy to hear that. Your Honor, we'll need to set this matter. We'll need to set this matter for trial, and we'd ask the court to assign counsel.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Laws?
Yes.
What's your phone number, ma'am?
706.
706.
586. 6118.
Say that again.
6118.
6118. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a trial date for March the 24th at 9 a.m. But I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date for February the 27th. That pre-trial is set so that we know that you got that appointed attorney. If you don't have that appointed attorney, if you don't have that appointed attorney by the February 27th date, that's your next court date, then we'll get one on the spot for you on that date, and we'll keep it on track, and then we'll have the March 24th date already set. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, so you said
right,
February.
February 27th is the pre-trial date. That date is just really set to make sure you've gotten a contact, that lawyer has gotten in contact with you. You need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you haven't heard from that appointed attorney by February 27th, on February 27th, we'll call one in on the spot so we don't have to go through that. You'll be able to speak to that attorney on February 27th. But we'll keep the trial date set for March the 24th, right?
Okay.
Now, Ms. Laws, we've been around this block many, many times. Because I don't know how many times, you probably, most I've been down here, I've called your name, I don't know how many times. But I will congratulate you on getting that driver's license. That is paramount for me. So, but don't miss any dates. Write it down in your phone. Because you don't want that driver's license suspended again.
No, I sure don't. I'm so happy you pushed me to go get my license.
I'm so happy that you did it too, all right? All right,
Thank
come
you,
back.
I appreciate it. You said February 22nd at 9 a.m.?
27th, February 27th.
Oh, at 9 a.m.
At 8:30.
Okay.
You know, I don't know if this is gonna work out too well. I don't know how long you're gonna keep that license. I don't know.
Thank you.
All right. And answer the calls.
Y'all have a good day.
You too. All right. Mr. Barry, let's go with City of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Gray, case numbers SP 16175-861, SP 1617725-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Mark Anthony Gray.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Officer Novosky.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Doboski, Detroit Police, badge 4916.
Very well. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. Mr. Berry, speak to Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, do you have a valid driver's license? No, you don't. You do?
Yes.
All right, run his license, please. And then I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room, all right?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, do you have anyone? Ms. Harris? Did we lose Ms. Harris? No. In the breakout room, Mr. Boone. Matthew Dupree. Let's get Matthew Dupree back in here for Mr. Marquise Lee. Please. Mr. Lee, unmute yourself, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you ever speak with the lawyer?
No, sir.
All right, let's get Matthew Dupree back in here, please. Leonard. Are you waiting on someone, Mr. Barry?
Waiting on Mr. Gray's license.
How you doing?
The license is valid. The license is valid.
Thank
Go in the breakout room, Mr. Gray. Speak to Mr. Barry. Get him an updated offer. If he doesn't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And the day is the date and time set for trial. Join the room, please. You ready, Ms. Harris?
Yes and no. Yes, because Mr. Oldham is in the building. I'm just asking if we can hold his matter until the end of the docket as he's waiting for information to be sent to him.
All right, let's call it. Let's get Garen. I think Garen wants to speak to you. I think you were the attorney that he was referring to. He came right on in and he says, I want to talk to the lawyer before I talk to anybody. City of Detroit versus Michael Garen, case number SP 1641973, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Garen, please state your name for the record.
Michael Guerin, Guerin.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, go ahead in the breakout room and speak with them, and you have to give them an updated offer. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer, Mr. Garen. Join the room, please.
Thank you.
Mr. Leonard.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. What is your name? Full name, please.
How you doing today? My name is DeMarco Leonard.
All right. How are you? Why are you so late, Mr. Leonard?
Actually, sir, I was trying to download the stuff on my phone again. It was on my other phone yesterday.
DeMarco Leonard, were you here?
Yeah, I had a court date with you yesterday too.
Yesterday.
Yes, sir.
You were supposed to pay something?
Excuse me?
Were you supposed to pay?
No, sir. I was my lawyer told we set up a trial date.
Okay, well, how can we help you today?
I don't know. I was told I had a court date today too, sir.
I would think that all of that stuff would have been handled on that day if it was. I have all your tickets DeMarco Rondell Leonard.
Yes, sir.
Brief ticket that I believe I have for you. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6. All of 8, 9 tickets are gonna all be heard on the 28th of February.
The 28th?
Yep, write it down, please.
Yes, sir. The 28th at what time?
8:35. There's a pre-trial date though. There's just gonna be a pre-trial.
Yes, sir.
Okay, best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, my niece had a wedding over there. She had 140 of her friends and family all came through. That was a lot.
Oh, yeah, that was the one you was wondering why I was all the way there.
Yeah,
It ended up being nice.
I'm glad she did it because it got me out of the country.
Yeah.
All right, are we ready on Garen?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garen. Mr. Garen, is that the lawyer you spoke with before?
I believe so, sir.
Are you happy with her?
Yeah, she's real nice, Miss Harris.
All right, I don't know about nice, if you think she's any good.
Well, I haven't tried any cases with her, but we're going to see.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yep.
Ms. Harris, what was Mr. Garen gonna do?
We are respectfully requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
All right. And I'm gonna set a trial date for, I guess, March the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right,
9 a.m. March 25th.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You
have a great day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Yep.
Oldham that's it. What is Oldham waiting on? Well, we still have Mr. Lee we're waiting on Mr. Your lawyer was here already this morning.
I seen him join. He left like when I forgot her name, Tabitha.
I'm not a Tabitha.
No, the one you was talking about with the driver license. He left when she left out.
There's a whole lot of them with driver's license.
It was like probably
that's like 99.9% of the stuff we do.
Oh well, yeah, that is a lot. She was like 3 people before me though.
Oh,
right. So,
all right. Well, we're on Mark Gray. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to impeding for the disregarding a red signal charge, and the court has confirmed that he has a valid license.
Correct. You'll take that all day, won't you, Mr. Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Mr. Gray, find you responsible for the admitted count. Blocking traffic, 0 point offense, 1 abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore won't carry any points. $175. When can you pay it?
This Friday. Next Friday.
Next Friday.
Yep.
January 31st, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Mr. Gray, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gray, best of luck to you and have a very good day. And Officer Delboski, you have a very good day as well. You be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Do the same.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. It's the city of Detroit versus Marquise Lee, case number U69626324. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Dupree, P 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Lee, would you state your name, please?
Marquise Christian Lee.
All right, good morning to you, everyone. The day is date time set for a pre-trial. I already have a trial date. You guys have not spoken to each other at all.
We made contact this morning for the
This
first
morning,
time,
yeah.
Your Honor.
Okay, so you do have contact then. So Mr. Lee, you said not at all, and you had contact.
You know,
this
it's
morning.
like he texted me this morning because I had received a letter in the mail saying
Contact.
that.
I just want to make sure that you basically each of you have each other's numbers and you communicate. That's what I'm looking for. I have a trial date already set for February 3rd.
All right.
Judge,
No, it said March 3rd on my paperwork.
No, strike that. March 3rd. I'm sorry, March 3rd.
Okay.
Right.
Judge, we
Mr.
just have to keep that trial date, and I'll have some more conversations with Mr. Lee before it.
March 3rd. Best of luck.
Mr. Dupree, did we speak about my offer?
We did, Mr. Bowman. This is the one where I told you I hadn't
right.
talked to him yet. And
Okay, good enough. Good enough.
Thanks.
Good enough.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. But he's basically saying, Mr. Bowman, your offer is no good. So, no, I'm just saying.
It's not gonna be any better if we go to trial.
As I had said to Mr. Bowman, it's not that it wasn't a good offer, just that I needed time to go over everything with my client before deciding whether to accept it.
Fair enough. All right, Mr. Lee, you're in good hands. Have a very good day and best of luck to you. Thank you for coming back in so quick.
Thank you. Mr. Dupree, I'm about to text you.
Call me, right? Hang up and then call me.
Okay, I got you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a good one.
Hang up. All right. What are we waiting on Mr. Oldham?
He was waiting for documentation from the owner of the car. He's actually outside your courtroom, I think.
All right. So
I don't know if he's received it yet.
Mr. Oldham. Unmute yourself. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. He's out there. He's on.
Hello. The owner of the company is at the Secretary of State, and he has not sent me pictures of the verifications that you asked me for.
All right. So, Mr. Oldham, let me ask you this. This young lady came in yesterday, and when I say Oldham, she's done it before. I've done it before. I usually, when I pronounce that name, I pronounce it Oldham. She says Oldham, making sure I pronounce it. Now, how do you pronounce yours?
I pronounce it like the dictionary, Oldham. She's from Ferndale side of 8 Mile. Same family.
Kern, you from the same side of 8 Mile?
Nah, I grew up in Detroit. I was born in Highland Park.
Oh, okay.
I pronounce it as it's pronounced in the dictionary. Silent H.
Born in Highland Park. So do you want to come back on this or what?
I was hoping to deal with it today because, as I
How long
stated
you
before,
gonna take? All right, let
the vehicle is not even mine.
me go into recess. I'm gonna give you about 20, 30 minutes, all right?
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna adjourn momentarily. I mean, I don't know if Mr. Berry or somebody can stay for him.
It's freezing.
It's freezing. It's not even
Yeah.
cold.
It's not cold, it's never cold. Never. The ice box in my heart.
That's crazy. It's not even cold. If it's cold, I'd say it's cold, but dang, freezing. All right, I'll be back. You can text me when if he gets to go.
It's here.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll text.
Okay.
What happened with Miss Gates?
Responsible improper equipment.
Yeah, okay.
Is he talking about? It ain't cold. It is absolutely freezing. Yeah, I wore 2 sweaters. I was so sick last night. Oh my God, I was so scared. My husband had me taking emergencies all night. I took some stuff last night. I started to take a Benadryl, but I didn't want to be too drowsy. But when I woke up this morning, I was dragging. I almost thought I had to come in here. I felt so strange when I went in. It would have been about to sneeze right now. Hold on. I was sneezing a lot yesterday. I went through 2 boxes of them yesterday. I saw you over there. Cause I was fine at home. I was fine on the way in. I got in here. As soon as I sat down, got this tickle in this left nostril. Because Carmen was sick, you know, she not here. Latifah, you know who Latifah is? She works for Judge Coleman. Yeah, she's sick. Yeah, she's sick. I started not to come. I'm telling you, I barely. I thought it was gonna be bad. Like I said, my you know, you blow your nose so much that all this is wrong. I said, oh, don't tell, because I couldn't stop. It just kept running. It was in that tickle, just kept being. And when I got home, it wasn't bad. I said, it's something inside the courtroom or something, because it stopped. But later at about, started back, and my husband was like, and my birthday is Monday. He said,
You better take an emergency. You ain't about to be sick your birthday weekend.
What's an emergency?
It's their vitamin C. It's a pouch in a powder.
I think I've seen
put it in water. He swear by them because as soon as he feel anything, he be drinking them. But it worked. I was scared. I was like, I took that. I was like, oh God, I contemplated so bad because I didn't sleep good, through the night because, I'm scared that I was about to be sick. And I sat on the bed.
I usually keep those little pouches, but I ran out of. They like a little orange pouch.
Yep, yeah. And they had this one was an elderberry one or something. I sat on the bed this morning thinking really, really, really hard. My daughter was sick all that time. I ain't got no more damn sick time. I was thinking really, really, really hard. Like,
wow. Yeah, I wasn't feeling good. I was feeling so strange last night, and my mother and them, they kept worrying me.
About what?
Look, Jamira do this, Jamira do that. My mother just thinks I don't Jamira. And then it was like, I'm not feeling good. And then when I went to go lay down, they woke me up again.
Imagine some little people.
I think I can tell the little people because the little people would know. Don't mess with mom right now. You know what I'm saying? The kids would be checking.
What? They need what they need.
The kids would be checking and figure it. I had a little hint.
No, because you got one little person like, Mommy, I'm finished. Can you come with me? You can't sleep through that. You gotta get up when he called with that.
They kept bothering me last night. I'm like, I'm not feeling good. They like, go out in the cold in the car. I'm like, where? Hey, everybody, how's it going? What's the status? Should we call the judge?
We're waiting on Mr. Oldham. Mr. Oldham, do you have your paperwork?
The pictures are coming through, but they're moving slow. I've already got a picture of the plate. I presume this is the insurance that's coming through or the registration. I can't tell what it is yet.
Perfect. I guess we can call the judge, Ms. Mathis.
So it's coming through. Can you text him? Do you have his number? You want me to call? Yeah, one of y'all text him. I'm gonna go on mute until he arrives.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Oldham. Mr. Oldham, you're gonna have to bring me the stuff that you say you have.
Coming back to the courtroom.
That was in your mail.
Oh, was it? Yep.
Oh, you don't want?
No, I mean, it's just a.
Substitute attorney. Thank you.
I need some.
They don't ever. Read
I'm outside the courtroom. The registration is trying to open up.
All right, good morning to you. Morning. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oldham. Mr. Oldham, I've given you an opportunity to get some documentation together. You have some documentation there?
The plate and tags have come through.
Let's see what you have. Yeah, if he's got it on there, if it's already set up. Good morning to you.
Morning. I'm still awaiting one image to download. I presume that's the registration for the truck.
Well, if I got the registration with this tag here. What about the insurance?
Oh, then that must be what the third one is. He sent 3 images from the Secretary of State this morning at 10:57. And I'm still waiting for the third one to open up. First 2 open in the hallway. But these can make it.
Okay.
I can go.
All right, so here you go. Just, I got that. So when the insurance shows up, let me know.
Your Honor, or Mr. Bowman, would you take into consideration that it seems that he's not the owner of the car and the owner is at the Secretary of State and just got the plate? I think you need insurance to get a plate, right?
Mr. He doesn't have his headphones on. Can you text him?
No.
Yo, Mr. Point Guard. Mr. Point Guard. He's slipping again.
Somebody need to go around.
Right in his hand. Tell him, Mr. Point Guard, here, put on speaker. Mr. Point Guard, the coach is trying to get you in the game, but you sit down there on the bench playing with your phone or something. I swear, you just give me material. Trying to get you in the game.
I do what I can. I do what I can.
Your thumbs down.
Hey! I was looking at all these discovery orders that I'm receiving and processing them.
No playing cards.
So go ahead, Ms. Harris. We're on the record with Mr.
Okay.
Oldham.
Yes.
It appears Mr. Oldham has provided documentation from the owner with regards to, I don't know, what did he provide, a receipt or the registration or a copy of the plate?
And the plate, he provided the registration that he just got. He's waiting on a document to upload from, presumably that's the insurance, but Ms. Harris, go ahead.
So provided, one, it's seemingly not his car and the owner just sent him a copy of the plate that they received at the Secretary of State just now. I don't believe you can get a plate without insurance.
The people have no objection to dismissing these tickets.
Thank you.
Case is dismissed, Mr. Oldham, providing valid documentation.
Appreciate everyone's time. Thank you, Ms. Harris.
Best of luck to you.
You're very elegant.
All right. Have a good one.
Thank you.
His name is Dayon. All right, that'll complete it. Miss